Hi, we're here at the Florida RV Supershow, and we are going to interview Kathy, who is with Margaritaville. And just in case you don't know, it is in Auburndale, Florida, and the RV Unplugged Plugged-In is going to be hosting a rally there in August. Here's a copy of their sign, and there's so many amenities there. We wanted Kathy just to tell you a little bit about the resort. Would you, Kathy?
Yes, I will. Great. Okay, so we do have a lot of amenities at the park. We have 2 tiki bars on site at the north end of the park, and then in the center of the park in the main amenities.
Ooh.
We have tons of activities for kids from morning all the way to night. We have live music and DJs on the weekend. We have 4 eateries on site at both bars. We have 2 swimming pools. We have a splash pad for the kids. We have something called the Green, which we have activities for the kids from morning, afternoon, night. Like I said, we have the live music. We have basketball courts. We're dog friendly.
Oh, wow.
We are
Good.
dog friendly. We have several dog runs. We have several places for the dogs. We even have a dog washing station. So it's pretty kind of neat because every RVer loves to bring their pups. And kid friendly. So, and our pools are heated to 83 degrees
Oh, I love it.
year round.
Love it.
So bring your bathing suits because you can swim in January if you'd like. And we do have, in our app, we have an app that we ask everybody to upload on their phone that lists all the activities and all of the times for the amenities, places, the times for the eateries and the bars. And on that app, you can find everything that you want to know about the park.
Awesome.
So, and it's very user friendly. And those amenities and the schedules change weekly. So depending on when you're visiting, you can always check before you come, and you'll always know what's happening at Camp Margaritaville.
Awesome. A question for you.
Yes.
You mentioned you have some restaurants there. Are
We
they
do.
lunch and dinners or breakfast?
Well,
What
so
do you
we have 2 eateries. They're not eat in. You walk up, you order your food, and then you can sit down by the pool area. Yes.
Okay.
We have Frank and Lola's Pizza. We have the Feeding Frenzy.
Kids love pizza.
A lot of margarita food.
Okay. How about margarita drinks?
Yeah. Oh, we have plenty of those.
Okay.
In fact, we have specialty drinks at the bar. You'd probably want to try each and every one of them.
Okay.
In our margarita cups, where you can go back and get your refills at a discounted price.
Awesome.
And then we have the License to Chill bar at the north end of the park. A lot of people don't know about that because it's at the north end of the park, and it's our newer bar and pool.
Okay.
So we do have 2, and then we have a putt-putt golf also.
Oh, really?
We have yes, we have a 9-hole putt-putt golf. We have a camp store as well. So all your needs, anything you need, you can get at our camp store.
Man, I can't think of what you're missing.
I know, you don't have to leave.
Okay.
You never have to leave.
So you don't have to be an RV Unplugged Plugged In to visit Auburndale and visit Margaritaville. But if you're there in August, we hope to see you. In the meantime, look at the amenities and check it out.
Yes.
Have a
thank
great
you.
day, folks.